mid and high volume manufacturing quotes, perfect for managing complex projects, including assembly, welding, and framework production with scheduled batch shipments. This option is available to our corporate customers. Start by uploading your project files, CAD designs, technical drawings, or even Excel files. If your files contain all the necessary production details, simply activate the relevant toggle and click Review and Confirm to request the quote, allowing our team to immediately begin processing your project specifications. Otherwise, enter your project requirements in the provided text field. You can use our template or type your specifications from scratch. For scheduled shipments, specify your desired schedule. When you're ready, click Review and Confirm to double-check your files and entered information. Proceed by clicking the Request Quote button. Within 24 to 48 hours, our pricing engineers will prepare a comprehensive quote tailored to your project specifications. The quote will be organised into a clear part-by-part interface. You can then place your order as easily as with an instant AI-generated quote. Xometry is the perfect solution for everyone, from engineers and designers to purchasers and project managers. No matter your role, our platform offers the flexibility and efficiency you need to bring your ideas to life. Source your parts efficiently with Xometry.